If you're over 40 and feeling bloated, tired, or struggling with stubborn belly fat, no matter what you do, the problem isn't your diet, it's your gut. Hello, Vitality Champions. Today we're guiding you through midlife and beyond, helping you understand your body's natural shifts, uncover how your gut health could be the key to regaining energy, and how to work with those changes instead of against them. Your gut microbiome, that tiny world living inside you, controls everything from digestion to your mood. But after 40, something dangerous starts to happen. The balance begins to change. Good bacteria fade, less helpful strains step forward, and that quiet shift ripples through your hormones, your energy, and how your body handles food. As we move through our 40s and the menopause transition, estrogen and progesterone shift, the microbiome responds to these shifts, and diversity often drops with age. That change is linked to more digestive sensitivity, more inflammation signals, and that weight that likes to collect around the middle. This isn't failure, it's physiology, and the best part is, it can be guided back toward balance. Think of your gut as a garden. Stress acts like a drought. Ultra-processed foods are weeds. Poor sleep tramples the soil. Over time, your best plants, those beneficial bacteria, thin out. Digestion slows, nutrients are used less efficiently, and your body protects itself with inflammation. In midlife, that often shows up as bloating, fatigue, and that stubborn belly weight that ignores your hard work. Here's the hopeful part. Gardens regrow. So does your gut, at any age. The gut and brain speak all day through nerves, hormones, and immune messengers. When that conversation is smooth, we feel steady and focused. But when it's disrupted by stress, low estrogen, or poor diet, we feel off. More anxious, more bloated, less energetic. Supporting your microbiome helps restore that conversation. It can calm the inflammation signals that make midlife feel harder than it needs to. Reduce the irritants. Just 2 weeks to reset. Scale back ultra-processed foods, refined sugars, and heavy alcohol. These are known to disrupt the microbiome and trigger inflammatory signals. Keep it simple. Build meals from whole foods most of the time. Feed the good bacteria every single day. Add prebiotic-rich foods, onions, garlic, leeks, asparagus, oats, apples, and bananas. These fibers feed your beneficial microbes. Include small daily portions of fermented foods, yogurt with live cultures, kefir, sauerkraut, or kimchi. A randomized trial showed that a fermented food diet increased microbiome diversity and lowered inflammatory markers. Calibrate stress and sleep in bite-sized habits. A short breathing break, gentle stretching, or a quiet walk helps lower stress signals that affect the gut and its barrier. Protect your sleep window. Sleep and your microbiome influence each other both ways. Sleep is not a luxury, it's the body's nightly repair cycle. While we rest, the gut rebuilds its lining. Beneficial bacteria reset, and stress hormones fall. Aim for regular bedtimes, a cool, dark room, and no screens in the final hour. Even 1 extra hour of deep sleep can improve digestion and mood within days. Small improvements help your gut steady itself. Move after meals, your metabolic assist. A brief 10 to 30-minute walk after eating can reduce post-meal glucose spikes and support metabolic health through menopause. Make it a nightly ritual. After dinner. For anyone looking to support their gut bacteria more directly, some people choose to add a targeted probiotic into their routine. One option highlighted in this series is LeanBiome, a blend designed to support microbial balance connected to digestion, bloating, and metabolism. It's not a quick fix or a diet pill. It's simply a tool that may help support your gut while you build healthy habits. If you're curious, I'll leave a link below so you can read more. And check out the ingredients and clinical notes. Here's a simple, gentle, 7-day gut reset plan that helps the microbiome rebalance and reduces common midlife gut symptoms like bloating, fatigue, and irregular digestion. Day 1, hydrate and wake the gut. Warm lemon water before anything else. Simple, whole food meals. Consistent bedtime to support overnight gut repair. Day 2, fiber first. Add 2 plant foods to each meal. Prioritize 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Deeper rest means better digestion. Day 3, protein breakfast plus sleep rhythm. Start with a protein-rich meal to stabilize blood sugar. Dim lights and screens 1 hour before bed to support melatonin and gut motility. Day 4, fermented food boost. Add 1 serving of fermented food. Commit to an earlier bedtime. Microbiome diversity improves with consistent sleep. Day 5, slow evenings for deep repair. Close the kitchen earlier. Tea ritual, fennel seed or ginger tea. Gentle movement or breathing before bed. Day 6, movement for motility. Walk 10 to 30 minutes after meals. Protect your sleep window. Consistency is key. Day 7, prebiotic reset plus rest ritual. Add 2 prebiotic foods. End with a calming sleep ritual. Warm herbal tea, low lights, deep breathing. This plan works because the gut responds to consistency, not intensity. Within 1 week, as your new routine steadies, you may notice less bloating, more regular digestion, steadier energy, and even a calmer mood. Clothes feel easier around the waist. Your gut health is the foundation beneath midlife change. When you support it, through the food you choose, the way you manage stress, the sleep you protect, and the gentle movement you keep, your body responds. This season isn't the end of feeling well. It's the beginning of a smarter partnership with your body. The gut is the foundation beneath midlife change. When supported with the right habits, whole food, reduced stress, consistent sleep, gentle movement, and targeted microbial support, the body responds. Cravings, bloating, and low energy after 40 are not weakness. They are signals that the gut needs nourishment, balance, and care. If this message resonated with you, take a second to like this video, share it with a friend who needs this support, and comment on the gut healing habit you're starting first. A printable version of the 7-day gut reset is available in the description, along with the resource link to LeanBiome if gut support is on your list. Let's make thriving after 40 the new normal together.